Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using 3 colors from Bling Galleria, and 2 of the colors are from the new Bling Winter Wonderland collection. And here's one of the colors here. It is called the Golden Leaf. Now this is a pure gold dip powder. You can't get any more golder than this. It's a true gold dip powder and it's stunning, and it has that brassiness to it as well, and you can use it as a dip powder and you can chrome with this, so it's very pretty. And then the next color here is called Malachite, and it's also part of the Bling Winter Wonderland collection. Now this is a dark green, and in the sunlight it kind of has a hint of teal to it. It's super pretty, and it also has a slight shimmer to it, and it's the perfect pair with that golden leaf. And then this other color here, which is called Autumn Sparkle. Now this is a clear base, and it has the most unique shaped, I believe they're gold foils in here, and it's so pretty and elegant of this dip powder. I'm so in love with it. And then check out the 3 colors together. It's the perfect Thanksgiving mani. And then for today's mani, we are going to be doing dip liquids. I know, I bet some of you are really excited because we're doing dip liquids and we're not doing a press on. But since I've been in the hospital, I made it to 30 weeks today, so we're on the right track. It's been a little bit easier to do press ons, to be completely honest, so you might see more of those on my channel. But once things get back to normal and I'm back home, we will get back on track with our normal mani process and then a few press-on manis here and there. So right now you can see how pigmented that golden leaf is with just one dip. It is so pigmented and really beautiful, and I really like that pure gold of this dip powder. So you will notice that I am still doing the pour over method with this mani. I feel like when I do the pour over method, I get such a thin and nice application of the powder where it's not too bulky or anything like that, because I'm not disturbing any of that dip liquid when I'm going into the jar or bumping it or anything like that. So I feel like when I do the pour over method, I just have an easier time with filing and buffing, where I really don't have to do a lot of filing and buffing because it's already laying really super flat to the nail. Alright, so let's dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in a few moments. Alright, now that we're applying that dip base to the nail, we're going to gently angle the finger into the cupcake liner. So we pick up just a few of those beautiful gold foils, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And you can do as much foils or glitter as you want on this accent nail. I just wanted just a little bit of pop of sparkle to kind of tie in together that beautiful autumn sparkle. And I really like how this dip is with, it just looks super elegant with those beautiful foils. And then we're going to pat them down, and then to ensure that there is no bulkiness to the nail, I'm going to go ahead and put clear dip powder over it just so the nail is perfectly even and we don't have any bumps or anything like that in that nail. So that's what we're doing with that. We're going to brush it off. This clear dip powder is also from Bling Galleria. So now that we did that nail, we're going to go ahead and hand place some of those really pretty leaves. And for this mani, I really like the orange leaves, so I decided to use the orange only. It's like an orange copper type of color, super pretty. But the colors you get in this dip powder, there's like burgundy red, there's gold, there's white gold, and there's orange leaves in this dip powder. It's super pretty, and I really like how you can use this dip powder two different ways. You can use it with just the beautiful foils like you saw when we first did the mani, and then you can add the leaves too to make it extra fun. So this is the clear dip powder from Bling Galleria, and even though I don't really need to encapsulate the gold leaf, I don't want to disturb any of that beautiful gold pigment, so I am still going to go ahead and clear encapsulate that, so I'm protecting those pigments when I'm filing and buffing. No matter what, I always like to clear encapsulate with any kind of pigment that I'm using, just so I don't disturb it. And I really like this clear dip powder from Bling Galleria, and I didn't have any patchiness or anything like that after I used it, which is amazing, and it was super crystal clear. Alright, so we're going to dive back into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how pretty is this mani? I really like how this turned out. I think this is the perfect fall, harvest, Thanksgiving mani, and there's just something about the golden leaf paired with autumn sparkle and that pop of color from Malachite, which is simply beautiful. Now we're just finishing up with some cuticle oil from Glassy. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in the description box below. Also, stay tuned. We are doing another fun mani tomorrow featuring Bling Galleria, and we are going to use some colors from that new collection I was telling you about, the Winter Wonderland collection. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget, I will link a picture at the end of the video of that entire collection so you can see that as well, and I'll see you in the next upload.